Hey guys, welcome back. I just had my bridal shower this past weekend and my mom and I made all of the savory food for it. We ordered all the sweets from Elena's Bake Shop and Cafe, and she did cupcakes and these gooey gooey butter bars, which were like straight crack, and I've actually posted a video, like a shorter video of me eating that on Instagram if you want to check that out. But the shrimp salad that we made, we served it in these little endive cups, like little lettuce cups, and it was our favorite. And so I was like, oh my gosh, how good would this shrimp salad be as like a lobster roll, but a shrimp roll instead? So here we are. I'll put how we made it below, but it was so easy because we used pre-cooked frozen shrimp from Costco. You just have to devein it and remove the tails, cut it into like probably 3 pieces each. They're like that big. And we mixed it with this pre-made dill veggie dip and added some lemon zest and salt and pepper, and that was it, and it's so freaking good. Yes. Grilled the sides, top cut bun. Whoop. So delicious. Before I get started, I just have to say I've had a problem of like really bad hangovers when I come into town. Shane doesn't drink, my parents do, and so I inevitably end up drinking when I come here. Not to mention I had a bridal shower where we had champagne, and yeah, so anyways, I was really hungover in the middle of last week. This is not an ad, by the way. This is just me saving everyone's lives. In case you didn't know, activated charcoal is a lifesaver. This is a really, like, this, I don't know if I'd necessarily recommend this brand, even though it does the job, just because there's, like, you know, weird ingredients in it, like red 3 and blue 1 and crap like that. It still worked though. So what I did was I took 2 activated charcoal tablets before I started drinking, and then every 2 hours, even for food it works. So every 2 hours I'd take 2 more, and I literally did not have a hangover. Not even a little bit of a hangover the next day. And I drank a lot. And like, so basically it's a miracle thing. And it apparently works, like if you got food poisoning, you can take some, and it just soaks up all the toxins. So it prevents like minor to maybe medium minor, that's not even a thing, food poisoning. And it also helps prevent like gas and bloating and stuff. So I took 2 before this freaking video. I'm excited about it. I hope you guys are excited about it too, because hangovers absolutely suck, right? All right, it's time to eat. It is time. I'm so hungry. This is so good. The shrimp are so tender, and they came frozen. They're like perfectly cooked. Mmm. I'm still like in shock at how good this is. And shrimp is so much less expensive, especially buying it frozen at Costco if you can, or Sam's Club. Actually, we had to get a pack at Sam's Club because we didn't think we were gonna have enough. Both of them were fine, but by all means, get a pack at the regular grocery store too. It'll be a little bit more expensive since you're not buying in bulk, but whatever. Mmm. Alright guys, I'm actually feeling pretty good right now. I don't want to feel extra full, especially before I go on an airplane because I always get anxious. So, yeah, I don't want to just make more problems for myself later. Plus, I'm going to give this one to my mom. She was eyeing it before. Again, I will put how we made these in the description below. So take a look at that. And I hope you make it at home because it really was so easy and so delicious. It was everybody's favorite, I'm pretty sure. Oh, and I don't know if you caught on or not, you were like, something's different about her, but I got my hair done. It's kind of a mess right now. It's like day 3 of not washing it. Gross. But Oh my gosh, I'll put the photo of like the before and after right here so you could take a look at it. And I have another video that I'm posting next week that happened like right after my hair got finished. It's just taking me a little bit longer to put that out. But look at how amazing the after is. The color, the blonde is, it's perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. I didn't think it could happen because I never have good experiences at hairdressers. Like, I always seem to not communicate what I want, even when I have a photo. Sean Kennedy is the guy that did my hair. He did such an amazing job. I don't know if I want anyone else to ever touch my head ever again. Obsessed. And I asked for a shadow root, so that's why it's a little bit darker up here, because I like not having to redo my hair like every month. So I got a shadow root and this amazing blonde, which you will see better when I have my hair down and blow dried and everything. Anyways, guys, just wanted to mention that real quick. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.